a shift to e-learning methodology. With the lockdown and the closure of the college for its students, the management of the college looked at all the available options to continue with the academic learning of the students, and a shift to online learning seemed to be the only way out. All through this COVID-19 period, the college has successfully managed all the academic and other activities for the benefit of its students. At the outset in March 2020, immediate steps, as under, were taken to ensure the continuity in the teaching and learning to all the students of CPJ College. Online classes, tutorials and e-labs, virtual classes are carried out through Zoom with a predefined timetable for all the classes. Online academic and industrial visits. As a part of practical training, college organizes periodical virtual academic visits to courts, jail and industries as per the requirement of course curriculum. These visits equip students with a better understanding of theoretical aspects being practiced in the outer world. Online webinars, workshops, guest lectures, and conferences. College has been regularly organizing a number of online webinars, workshops and conferences that are benefiting our students in gaining wholesome knowledge for their future careers. Online internship and placement drives. Providing 100% internship and placement opportunities to our students has always been the core objective of the college. Due to most of the corporate and law firms going for work from home option with its employees, even after the lockdown, and the courts working in virtual mode, the college worked extensively to source immense internship and placement opportunities for its students. Online extracurricular activities. Since the students are in an online mode of learning, the cultural clubs of the college got active and thought it wise to organize online extracurricular activities for them so that their feel of missing the college campus can be minimized. CSR and GRC cell initiatives. The college CSR cell is actively organizing various workshops related to remedies to safeguard public health at large. Since present times are quite challenging for the students, the GRC cell has initiated daily workshop on yoga, meditation, and stress management.